Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about how to set alarms in Redmi phones. First you have to go to clock. Before proceeding further, if you are the first on this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and also press the bell icon. So let's start. Search clock, then go to this. Here you can select and turn on 6 a.m. 7 a.m. or you can customize it from here. From plus button, tap here, then it asks ringtone, select it from here, or you can add ringtone from here. You can customize it from your drive and music, then set alarm, and you can choose repeat daily Monday to Friday custom. You can on it vibrate when alarm sound, and you can label whatever you want, then press tick sign over here top, click this, and your alarm will go off in 14 hours. I hope after watching this video you got some value from this video. If you liked the video, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video.